This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Enable two-step verification on the Google account you'll use. Once done, sign into accounts. Google.com with that account and open security settings. Make sure your recovery options are current because Google may recheck them. You also want the app or device in front of you so you can paste the password immediately. This prevents timeouts and avoids extra steps. Once these basics are ready, move straight to the app password generator. Now generate the app password. In security, choose app passwords. Google may ask you to re-enter your password, so do that. Select the app type and device from the menus, or choose other and name it for clarity, then click generate. You'll see a 16-character code grouped in 4s. Copy it now because the dialog shows it only once. Paste that code into the app's password field in place of your normal Google password. This grants access without full account credentials. After pasting the app password, complete the app's sign-in flow and confirm sync or sending works. If you're done with that app or device, revoke its app password from the same app passwords page to remove access. If something goes wrong, first check the device clock and internet, because time drift can break authentication. Also confirm you chose the correct app/device type. If problems persist, revoke the prior code and generate a fresh one. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.